What are you doing?
Oh shit, my bad, man. Oh yeah, man. Just I'm over here being a goddamn sniper in the marks, man. $280 for the week, just for 3 days. Just for 3 days, man. Dwaynethetrader, big boss status. Know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Come on, let me show y'all how I did it. Let's get into the charts. It was done.
And we're back.
We're back.
Wait, again.
Back. Looking clean, you know what I'm saying? Looking clean.
With another video.
You know, going crazy with a video. $108 day today. Ain't that right?
Yep.
Real profit, real money. Real profit, real money. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, got the braces done, you know what I'm saying? Gang look good, gang look good.
Shout out to my sister down that's brazy. Yeah, you already know.
Gang, 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 you know what I'm saying? Then we got, you know, we drinking again. Same thing, you know. You know, hey.
Yeah, I gotta be quiet. But Dwayne told me some shit.
Oh my God, man. Have y'all ever took one for the team, you know what I'm saying? Just had to go down bad, man.
I'm glad you're telling them.
I just had to go down bad, man. I hope she don't see the video.
She gonna see it.
She gonna see it, man. But she don't know who, but y'all don't know her. That's all. I ain't gonna say no names.
Yeah.
Man. But she
gonna know who she
bottom of the barrel.
She McDonald's.
But no. Not even McDonald's.
She ain't no Whataburger.
Oh yeah, she definitely ain't no Whataburger. Oh yeah, man, but you know what I'm saying, made $108 a day, you know what I'm saying, good shit, you know, so it's all cool, all good. Y'all see that video a little later on, whenever I can upload it, probably be tomorrow is when I upload it, but I said y'all see what I was talking about in my trade and everything, why I took it and all like that. Oh yeah, you know what I'm saying, gang.
Oh shit.
What?
That motherfucker strong.
Go ahead, spit real quick.
That motherfucker strong, you know.
Yeah.
That bit brought my motherfucking chest.
Oh, yeah.
Got me feeling like an old woman who's smoking 50 cigarettes.
Yeah.
You hear our talk. It's not even the motherfucking braces.
Hey, but nah, she look good with them braces. Don't show them braces. Bling bling, you know what I'm saying? That you know, some money talk.
Bullshit walk.
Right.
My name Honey because I brought my motherfucking money.
About a motherfucking money, bitch. Don't have to mute that because you too, but you know what I'm saying.
Oh yeah.
Well, I got low followers right now, so they don't even be looking at my shit.
But when they do see it, they gonna have memes on our ass.
Ain't no such thing as bad publicity though. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be out there.
And I just want to let y'all know while I fucking can. Fuck all y'all hoes and fuck all y'all bitches. When I come up, I don't know none of y'all but
neck chop. Right. Stiff. All right, y'all. Just a little update. Damn, I wasn't even fucking recording. So, guys, as you can know, I'm gonna have to restart this whole thing. I just did this whole video. Okay. So now this is the real video. So, as you know, it's Dwaynethetrader, Mobile Trader Inc. Guys, what's up, man? What you're seeing here is not the Apex challenge anymore. You know, really, I did blow that account. Instead of funding with another $30, I just went and funded my own account with $300. As you can see, $300. If I go to positions, I go to, as you can see, I took 3 trades today. What am I looking for? Okay, here we go. If I go to history, as you see, scroll all the way down, deposited $300. And then my account's at $348.75. I took 3 trades today. Lost 2. Well, really, those trades were like last night, overnight trades, Tuesday going into Wednesday morning. Ended up falling asleep. Didn't really work out. It's whatever. Risk $30 each trade, as you can see. And then my morning trade around 11-ish o'clock, I was risking about $40 to make 108. So because of that, worked out. Ended up making my money back off those 2 losses and end up being up $48 in profit. So it was pretty cool to make my money back, man. And you know, it's my money now. It's not Apex. It's not something I gotta wait to withdraw. I could get this money like that. So it was pretty cool, man. Just a little update. As y'all can see, I was getting lit with my girl Tati over there. That's gang. I miss her, man. Love her. She lit over there. Got the braces done. She looking good. I can't lie. But yeah, so I said this is Wednesday. I will be trading Thursday and Friday and recording those videos. And then I decided instead of uploading every single day, I'm just gonna upload once a week. Trade all week, upload my trades and everything like that, how I do, and then just at the end of the week, Friday night, Saturday morning, I'll drop the YouTube video. But yeah, guys, it's pretty simple trade for that $108. I got it kind of marked out at the 5613 level on the chart that you see. I took a sell maybe around the 5604-ish level. Continue to look to the sell side to the 5584 level, and it did end up playing out pretty fast, maybe like 40 minutes. Ended up making $108 off of that trade, so it's pretty awesome. But yeah, just a little quick update, and I'll see you guys later. Yo, Dwayne the Trader, Mobile Trader Inc. Talking about today's trade session. One trade up $130 today on the contract. If as you can see, net P&L $130, one contract. Entered this trade pretty late in the day, around maybe like 1 o'clock. I entered this trade. It's a pretty good trade. I'm gonna go over it real quick. This is the 15-minute chart. So basically at 5664, that very top line was a daily resistance level. If I go out to this daily resistance, if I go to the daily chart, as you can see, we've been touching that 5664 level for a couple of days. So when we got up there today, I was in a bearish mindset, but I did say if we did break that level and we come back for a retest and start to look bullish, I will go long. But we never did. We almost got to that level, as you can see. We almost got to it. And if you're a really good trader, you can spot the head and shoulder right there at the top. And I noticed that, but I got in a little early. I got in this 5-minute engulfing candle. If I go back to a 5-minute chart and I zoom out and go back, I got in pretty much around where I'm marking that, where I'm touching right there, that little engulfing candle right here. I got in pretty much on that second candle down, and it was pretty much a smooth trade. We had a little pullback right here in that area, but we ended up falling down and closing for a nice profit for $130. I think I got out around let me see, I could tell you right now. I got out at you can see I opened the trade at 657, and at the close rate was at 63175. So I pretty much got out pretty much where the price is almost at right now. Pretty good. As you can see, it did fall even more, but I was up $130. Pretty much in a sniper entry. No drawdown at all. It was pretty awesome, pretty good trade from the start. So it's 2 days in a row where I've made money now. Without those two losses, I would have been up $238. But so far, I'm up $178.75, because remember, I deposited $300. So whatever the balance is, just subtract $300 from it, and that's my profit on this account. So yeah, good trading day. I don't know. It was pretty smooth. I might trade tomorrow or later on today, because it is 4 in the morning. I might trade later on today. I can really only see, if we are looking to go bearish, which we are, because structure change and everything like that. It would be around the 642 level. But if not, like I said, this is overnight price. I do a little bit of my chart analysis once the day kind of gets started. I do see, like I said, I will mark off some, potential buying levels if we do decide to come back down to this level right here, the 5624. Maybe look to get some potential buys in there, but who knows? Like I said, we'll see what the market plays out. But it was a pretty good day for me today. Like I said, $130 on the day, one contract, one trade, pretty simple. I was risking maybe like $50 on this trade, ended up closing out for $130, so a little bit over 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So it was pretty awesome, man, pretty awesome. But yeah, this was Thursday, so maybe got one more day of trading if I trade, and then I will upload the videos. Like I said in the earlier part, I will be starting to, I will trade all week and vlog all week, and then upload it at the end of the week for you guys to watch, as I think that'll be a better system for me with my whole job and everything, and trying to get videos out. It's just it'll be easier on me for right now until things get better. But all right, guys, peace. Yo, Dwayne the Trader, Mobile Trader Inc. What's up, guys? Another trade session is done for today. Real quick, did y'all think I made money or lost money today? Give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. We made money today, folks. We made $101.25 one contract. Pretty good trade selling, man. You know, these last few days I've been selling and it's been working. It's been real good trades. Let's just go over there. I'm tripping. Go over my trade that I took. I took a sale. Like I said, you know, last night, or not really last night, but this morning in that video that you did see. Remember, I was telling you guys. Let me go back out to a 15-minute. Make it easier. That, you know, I said if we get back down, when we was having this breakout, and I said, you know, if we get back down to 627, I may look to buy, which it did. You know, it did end up happening. I was asleep at that time, though. I'm not gonna lie, and I was definitely asleep, so I definitely did miss out on that trade. But look at this, the 643 level, we definitely had a sell-off. Once again, you know, both areas where I was looking to buy and sell kind of like worked out to a T. It's kind of crazy. But I did miss out on both of those trades. Originally, when I woke up, I did see that we hit the 643 level and we started to sell off. So when I seen that, basically where I'm touching right now, let me get this off real quick. Basically where I'm touching right here, I was looking to get in for a short to see if I could catch the rest of the momentum down, which is crazy how it's pushing up now. If I didn't take profit, I would have gotten stopped out. So let's go break that down real quick. As you can see, I took this trade right here. Pretty much around this area, we started to reject off of some resistance levels, support levels, which becomes resistance levels. And we was creating this 3-tier down chart pattern, which is, you know, a very bearish type pattern. So when I noticed that, I started to get in, and we sold all the way off down to the 600 level, which is where I think I closed my price at, somewhere around that level. We did have a little pullback, which I was kind of like, micro analyzing, depending on if I wanted to get out of that trade or not. But, you know, we end up falling down, closing for about $100 in profit. I think I closed that trade at 5603, which was pretty much, as you can see, like right around that area right there. So yeah, man, good trade, good Friday. More than likely this video will be uploaded tonight. I don't know if I'll be doing anything or vlogging anything today. I don't know, you know, just kind of a day-by-day thing. You'll see if I will or not. Sorry for the notifications. But oh yeah, man, good first trading week. We made a total, if we take, you know, including losses, if we pull out, let's go to my calculator. That's my family, that's my people, my mom and dad, love them. But let's we go to the calculator and we do basically 101.25 plus 130 plus 108.75 minus 30 minus 30. We made a total of $280 this week, just this Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Pretty awesome. Can't complain. As you can see in my funds, I deposited $300 to start with, which I showed you guys here and earlier in the video. As you can see, on August 27, 2024, deposited $300 that night. And then like I said, I had those 2 losses where I took in the overnight session. That was my fault. It is what it is. And then I said I have $580 now, so $280 profit. So definitely starting off on a good week. Made $280 in 3 days. Pretty dope. Maybe hour, no longer than an hour and a half in each session by the most. I think the first day was like 40 minutes. Yesterday was like an hour and a half. And then today was maybe like an hour and 10 minutes, something like that. So pretty good day, guys. Well, yeah, you know, I'm out. You know, like I said, I don't know if there will be a little video after that, but if not, peace. Man, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like I said, Dwaynethetrader, Mobile Trader Inc. Follow my Instagram and my X/Twitter down in the description below. I hope y'all guys enjoy it. You know, first week back, you know what I'm saying? Going strong, can't complain. Like I said, $280 for the week was great. And only 3 days, hour each day traded. So, you know, pretty good. How you making that face? Oh my gosh. But all right, guys, Dwaynethetrader, I'm out.